Oh, he waves too. Like, hi.
This is
He
my
likes
new
pedicures.
friend. This is my new boyfriend.
You
Isn't
gonna
he
take him
handsome?
home?
He's so photogenic and he's very
I don't
cuddly.
mean it's not nasty, but if you do stick your tongue out, he'll stick his tongue out too.
He's like, I don't know
Look
you.
at-
Buy me
oh.
dinner first.
Oh.
Right?
No, he was looking at her.
Aww.
Like, you haven't got that far yet.
It's like he's looking into my soul.
He's like, you will be.
So
He's
sweet.
like, you're gonna
Poor,
make
there's
me
nothing
want
in there for you. I'm sorry.
I know, he's like, is there nothing there?
I know. He's like, what?
How you been?
I love you. Do you love me?
Caesar, say I love
He's
you.
making noises.
Say I love you.
You're beautiful.
He does say it, but
Oh, he's getting fluffy.
It's probably cold.
Really, like when he's looking into my eyes, he's like looking into my soul. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet.
that's what happened when we went and saw him.
I'm seriously
And
like
he was
in
an
love.
investment too.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Like,
say
oh,
bye
no.
bye. Say bye bye. Let's see your feathers.
Are you being pretty?
He's so beautiful. Say bye bye. Say hello. Can you say hello?
He's so tired. He's like, no.
Take his
Not
time.
right now.
Maybe he can take a nap.
Mwah.
Hey, when you gotta give him